Oh my gosh.
I had it held up. I can see his legs coming.
Oh, that's the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Oh, YouTube sensation. Hey folks, we're on our own farm. It's private property. We got it heavily posted, so we knew there was no chance of another hunter being out there. Don't try this at home though.
Yeah, don't try this at home.
That is a close encounter. I tried to grab him by the leg. I reached out, he jumped up.
Oh, that has to be one of the funniest things I've ever seen. I mean, it was bad enough when he came up to it. I thought, oh, he's going to see you at any second. Then he actually hit it with you holding it.
He came in here this morning.
Oh, my Lord.
This Jake is just forward. He came in this morning and beat the crap out of this thing.
Twice.
Broke the tail I just put on it. And then, it's like crawl out in the field when he goes around a corner. I put it back up. Minutes later, he pops around that corner, sees that fan back up. He sprints the whole way in and knocks it over again. But I told Todd, I said, we got to fix that decoy now that he walked off. And I said, how funny would it be if I could put this thing on my head and crawl towards him and he comes and attacks it? Oh, I just wish I had a helmet cam. That was awesome.
That would have been up close.
Well, I saw the legs coming, I saw a beard, I'm thinking, watch, it'll be the long beard Todd's been waiting for.
That's what I thought. Well, that hen came right behind him.
Yeah.
I saw two heads coming, I went, oh no. What if that's the long beard coming in now?
I tell you what, you guys hit up the YouTube with all these fancy, I can do this, I can cut the head off this, I can do that. Take that. Ain't nobody done that. And again, I'm on posted property. This is my place, and nobody else is in here. Or else I would have never walked with a freaking turkey decoy on my head.
Well,
man, I can't even explain this. It's just, I look up, I see the white head looking up, and I was leaning in the field, and I just kind of hold it like right here. I look and see him coming, and bam! Now that's what I call extreme TV right there. Send your check or money order, because you should have had to pay to watch that. I put my life on the line for the good of mankind against the turkey.
He could have killed you.
He could have killed me. Had we been in Mexico, there probably would have been razor blades taped to his spurs. Take a note, we're not in Mexico. Do not do that in Mexico, because a chicken will kill you there.
Well, we have a story to tell now.